Welcome to the HardReset.Info YouTube channel. Today I would like to show how you can delete SIM contacts in VIVO. So to start, you will need to launch the Contacts app, then go for the Settings, then Display Contacts. Make sure to mark only the SIM card that you would like to remove the contacts from, and then select what contacts you would like to get rid of, or actually we will need to get back to the main contacts page for that. Here are they. So then tap at the edit option, select the contacts you would like to remove. If all of those, just go for the select all option and then tap at the delete. Then confirm your choice and that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.